colony collapse disorder and its impact on the ecology of California. Colony collapse disorder is a disease where adult bees die unexpectedly and without warning, rendering the queen and the immature bees remaining in the hive helpless. As we can see in this graph, the number of honey-producing bee colonies in America has dropped significantly. Not all bee mortality can be attributed to CCD, but a large percentage of deaths are due to this phenomenon. Many theories have been presented for the causes of CCD, including pesticides, monocultural crop raising, and habitat loss. Saving the honeybee is a vital link in restoring the Earth's ecological harmony and balance. Careful analysis and comparing of information has been vitally important in this assignment. Google Scholar has provided peer-related articles, but even these rarely come to a consensus on the exact reasons for CCD. I have used the Boolean method continuously throughout this assignment and found it a much simpler and effective method of searching, as it allows a totally individualistic search. Using the joining word "and," I was able to cater my search exactly to my needs. Not limiting my word choice exclusively to colony, collapse, disorder, or bees, I was able to find many more resources. Finding sources, particularly ones that were not of a PhD level, was challenging and forced me to weigh up the contents, reading the first and last paragraphs and seeing if the information contained made sense. Bees are rejuvenated and made healthy by feeding on a wide range of pollen and nectar sources. Weiler states that the main contributing factors to CCD are pesticides and habitat loss. Some scientists believe that it is a combination of pests and pathogens that are the single most important causes of colony losses, although the ectoparasitic mite Varroa destructor may also play a contributing role in the large mortality rate of honeybees. As recently as 2017, Clive noted that sublethal stresses, factors that do not kill the bees directly but inhibit their cognitive functions, are responsible for CCD. Other suggestions touted as breakthrough research include neonicotinoid pesticides, diesel fumes, modern intensive agriculture, and Varroa mite, which are all explanations for bee deaths, but certainly not new revelations. Scientists and beekeepers alike have been finding causal links with these factors for years. Monocultural practices in the California area is contributing to the destruction of native habitats and communities for bees. The almond industry is a case in point. By providing honeybees with one type of crop, we are denying them the natural balance of pollen, and this is detrimental to bee health. The 2014-2015 figures released by the US Department of Agriculture and National Food Institute found that out of more than 6,000 American beekeepers, 48% of managed colonies were lost in Northern America and 37% in South America. The most important fact is that there is still no definitive cause for CCD. Most academics and scientists agree that to reverse or eliminate CCD altogether, humans must work with the environment, reduce pesticides, and encourage diversity in arable farming. When referring to the Australian Curriculum Science Content Descriptors, this inquiry could be linked to Year 4, Living Things Depend on Each Other and the Environment to Survive. Teaching students the importance of collaborative relationships between human beings and the environment is just as important as the synergy between farmers, their land, and the environment. Or Year 6. The growth and survival of living things are affected by physical conditions of their environment. Engaging with students and reiterating the importance of cause and effect relate directly to CCD. Just like the scientists and farmers are responsible for bee health, we are all responsible for the health of the planet.